Reason some people walk into a room and the room softens. No one announces them, no one claps, but shoulders drop, conversations open, defenses fade. And here's the uncomfortable truth. It's not about looks, not status, not charisma. It's something far quieter. Picture this. You're at a gathering. Two strangers start talking to you. The first one scans the room while you speak. Their body is facing you, but their attention isn't. You feel it instantly. Your answers get shorter. Your guard goes up. Then the second person speaks. They don't rush. Their eyes don't dart around. When you talk, they lean in slightly. They nod once, not exaggerated, just enough to signal, "I'm here." Without realizing it, you begin to relax. Why? Because comfort is not created by words, it's created by signals of safety. And the human brain is always scanning for safety. The fastest way to make someone comfortable is to remove uncertainty. Uncertainty creates tension. Tension creates distance. Most people try to impress. That's the mistake. Impressing raises your status, but it raises pressure too. Comfort lowers pressure. Here's what actually works. 1. Slow down. When you speak slightly slower than normal, you signal calm. Fast speech feels anxious. Calm pacing feels grounded. The other person's nervous system mirrors yours. If you're steady, they become steady. 2. Listen like you're collecting something valuable, not waiting for your turn, not planning your reply, actually listening. When someone feels heard, their brain releases a subtle sense of reward. It tells them, "I'm safe here, I matter here," and people stay where they feel that. 3. Use their name, but gently. A name is identity. Identity is significance. When you use it naturally, you're acknowledging their existence, not just their presence. 4. Mirror without copying. If they're speaking softly, lower your tone slightly. If they're expressive, allow a little more animation. Humans trust what feels familiar. Subtle alignment builds unconscious connection. But here's the deeper layer no one talks about. Comfort isn't created by techniques. It's created by intention. If your internal goal is to be liked, people sense the hunger. If your internal goal is to understand, people sense the respect. And respect relaxes people. Think about the last time you felt instantly at ease with someone. They probably didn't dominate the conversation. They probably didn't try to prove anything. They simply made space. That's the secret. Most interactions feel like competition. Who's smarter, funnier, more impressive? Comfort feels like collaboration. When you remove the need to win the moment, you give the other person permission to exist fully in it. And here's why this matters more than you think. People don't remember every word you say. They remember how their body felt around you. If their nervous system felt calm, they associate you with safety. If they felt judged or rushed, they associate you with threat. Your presence becomes either a refuge or resistance. So the next time you walk into a room, don't try to be the most interesting person there. Be the person who makes others feel interesting. Slow your breath. Open your posture. Hold eye contact just a second longer. Listen like it matters. Because it does. And when people feel comfortable around you, doors open. Not because you forced them, but because people naturally move toward those who feel like home. That's all for today. More videos like this are coming soon. Hit subscribe if you found this helpful.